Everyone, today we are going to do the mango tea with fresh mango leaf. So first of all, we need to go pick some leaf first. Okay, come with me. So that's for our tea today. All right. Yeah, the tree is about 2.5 years old. Yeah, we bought the home for like 2.5 years old, and then next month we plant some of the trees. But I like to use the small one for tea. But the tree had big leaf, not a small one. I think some of the mango tree they have a small leaf, but this one has a very gigantic leaf. Some of them much bigger. Yeah, mango is very easy to grow in Florida. Oh. All right, so let's go make tea. All right, what you need is the teapot, 2 cup, and hot water. Yeah, if you don't have time to boil your water, just put in the microwave for like a minute. So I'll get one of the small leaf first. I'll cut in the small pieces so we can put in the teapot. Mango leaf, very, in my opinion, is very good for diabetes. So this is a teapot. So we going to put all the leaf in the pot. Actually, we don't need one more. So we can do this quickly. Put all the small pieces in the teapot. Now we put water. This is the hot water. All right. So we wait for like 10 minutes and then we coming back and enjoy uh, our mango tea. All right, see you guys in like 10 minutes, and when it's done, I'll invite you guys back, and then we have the mango tea. Yeah, we have like one smaller tree on the back of the home. This is the smaller one. They look quite big though. are the fresh greenish leaf. They are ready for tea. All right. This is for my friend. They coming to visit us this afternoon. So I have the mango leaf ready for them. Coming back, and I think the tea is ready. So alright, so the tea is ready. Alright. So some mango tea on the mango leaf in there. Alright, one for me, one for the cameraman. Alright. You can taste the mango flavor in the water, in the tea. I need one more. Alright, that's how you make the mango tea from the fresh mango leaf. If you want to enjoy your own fresh mango tea, the best way you have to grow your own tree. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.